Welcome to a realm where the boundaries of human perception dissolve, and the hidden intricacies of the microcosm come to life in breathtaking detail. In this captivating exploration, we journey into the captivating world of electron microscopy, a technological marvel that allows us to venture beyond the limitations of traditional microscopy and witness the astonishing beauty and complexity of the subatomic universe. At its core, electron microscopy is a revolutionary scientific technique that employs a beam of electrons to peer into the smallest realms of matter. With its extraordinary ability to achieve nanoscale resolutions, electron microscopy has opened new frontiers in our understanding of biology, materials science, nanotechnology, and beyond. As we embark on this enlightening voyage, we will unravel the fundamental principles, mechanisms, and applications that make electron microscopy an indispensable tool in the realm of scientific exploration. Join us as we journey through the heart of electron microscopy, unlocking secrets that lie hidden beneath the surface and discovering a world of wonders that exists beyond the grasp of the naked eye. Electron microscopy is a remarkable scientific technique that transcends the limitations of traditional optical microscopy, allowing scientists and researchers to explore and capture images of objects at a level of detail previously unimaginable. By utilizing a focused beam of electrons instead of visible light, electron microscopes unveil the intricate structures and features of specimens at nanoscale resolutions. This groundbreaking technology has revolutionized our understanding of the microcosm, leading to discoveries across a wide range of scientific disciplines. Types of electron microscopes. There are two primary types of electron microscopes: Transmission Electron Microscopes (TEM) and Scanning Electron Microscopes (SEM). Transmission Electron Microscope (TEM). In a TEM, a beam of electrons is transmitted through an ultra-thin specimen. The interaction of electrons with the specimen generates a detailed image that reveals internal structures, such as the arrangement of atoms within a material or the organelles within a cell. Key components of a TEM include electron source. This emits a stream of electrons. Condenser system, a set of electromagnetic lenses that focus the electron beam. Specimen holder, houses the specimen within a high vacuum environment to prevent electron scattering. Objective lens, further focuses the electron beam onto the specimen. Projection lens, forms a magnified image of the specimen. Detector, captures and converts the transmitted electrons into a visual image. Scanning Electron Microscope, SEM. SEM, on the other hand, provides detailed surface imaging by scanning a focused electron beam across the specimen. The interactions between the beam and the specimen surface produce signals that are used to create highly detailed 3D-like images. Key components of an SEM include electron gun, emits a focused beam of electrons. Scanning coils, manipulate the electron beam to scan across the specimen's surface. Specimen stage, holds and positions the sample within a vacuum chamber. Detectors, collect various signals, including secondary electrons, say, and backscattered electrons, say, to create images with different contrasts. significance and applications. Electron microscopy has profound implications across diverse scientific fields. Biology unveils intricate cellular structures, revealing details of organelles, cell membranes, and molecular complexes. Materials science allows examination of material surfaces, crystal structures, and defects at atomic scales, influencing material design and development. Nanotechnology enables visualization and manipulation of nanoscale structures, contributing to the advancement of nanomaterials and nanodevices. Medicine assists in diagnosing diseases by revealing cellular abnormalities and aiding in the study of viruses and bacteria. Forensics provides critical insights into forensic investigations by analyzing trace evidence and identifying substances. Sample preparation. The success of electron microscopy hinges on meticulous sample preparation. Fixation preserves biological specimens to retain their structural integrity. Sectioning, ultra-thin slices of specimens are prepared for TEM. Staining involves using contrasting agents to enhance specific structures or features. Coating, specimens in SEM are often coated with a thin layer of conductive material to prevent charging. Advancements and future prospects. Advancements in electron microscopy techniques, such as Cryo-Electron Microscopy, Cryo-EM, have enabled imaging of delicate biological samples in their near-native states, providing unprecedented insights into molecular structures. The fusion of electron microscopy with other technologies, such as spectroscopy and tomography, continues to expand its capabilities and applications. Electron microscopy stands as a triumph of scientific ingenuity, peering into the hidden dimensions of matter and life. Through its unmatched resolution and precision, electron microscopy has transformed our perception of the microcosm, enabling us to unravel the mysteries of nature at the atomic and molecular scales. And so, we come to the end of our mesmerizing voyage into the realm of electron microscopy. We hope you've been captivated by the extraordinary beauty and intricacy that this technology unveils, revealing the hidden world beyond our naked eye. If you found yourself inspired by the stunning visuals and the boundless potential of electron microscopy, we invite you to continue this exploration. Dive into the world of scientific discovery, where atoms become landscapes and cells transform into vibrant communities. Join researchers and visionaries who are pushing the boundaries of our understanding, uncovering the mysteries that shape our world. Remember, the universe is vast, and its wonders are waiting to be discovered. Whether you're an aspiring scientist, a curious mind, or simply someone seeking to glimpse the unseen, electron microscopy offers a window into a universe that is both breathtaking and infinitely intricate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more captivating journeys through science and exploration. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure into the microcosm, and until we meet again, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the wonders that science unveils.